Good morning children, how are you? Hope you all are well. See Nana, we are discussing what does a moon do, and regarding that we are discussing the grammar exercises. In our last session I have explained to you about the simple past tense and past continuous. We have completed Nana Roman number A given on page number 109. Now let us see Nana page number 109. B Roman. What they gave children, rewrite the sentences in the past continuous. Children, they gave to rewrite the sentences in the past continuous. Here we have to rewrite the sentences with the in the past continuous. Okay children, let us have a look. See Nana, the first sentence given to you, we are playing football in the park. We are playing football in the park. See children, if you observe the statement given to you here, are is the helping verb which we have to change. Are denotes us about the present. Instead of are, here we have to use were. What we have to use children? Were. So we can write we were playing. Past tense, past continuous, what is that? Was or were along with V1 plus ing. This is the structure you should not forget. Were playing football in the park. Okay. Coming to the second statement they gave children, he is going to the library. Second one, he is going to the library. If you observe the given sentence, again here they gave is as a helping verb which we have to change. Here instead of is we can write he was going to the library. He was going to the library. Coming to the third sentence children, Bhupen is studying at home. Bhupen, B-H-U-P-E-N. Bhupen is studying, S-T-U-D-Y-I-N-G, studying at home. See children, again here they have given is as a helping verb which we have to change according to the structure of the past continuous which we have discussed yesterday. So here children we have to write Bhupen was studying at home. Bhupen was studying at home. Few more sentences has been given in this Roman children. Once you have a look of these three sentences, then we will discuss Nana few more sentences given in this Roman. Now I am rubbing. Let us discuss 4, 5, 6 questions given in this Roman. Same Roman, past continuous. Now see children, what we are discussing, fourth one. Fourth one they gave children, we are going to our grandmother's house. We are going to our grandmother's. We are going to our grandmother's Here it's not sufficient. Grandmother's house. We are going to our grandmother's house. If you observe the given statement again, children, given to you, here are is the verb given to you. Here this verb you have to change. We were going to our grandmother's house. To our grandmother's house. We were going to our grandmother's house. Coming to the fifth one, children. Fifth one, Nana, they gave Arnab and Lupa are baking a cake. Arnab and Lupa are baking a cake. Let us discuss that sentence, children. Arnab and Lupa are baking a cake. If you observe the given statement, children, here are is the helping verb which we have to change. So instead of are, we have to write were. Arnab and Lupa were baking a cake. Okay. Coming to the sixth one, children, they gave to us. See, children, sixth one they gave. Sita is spending her birthday with her parents. Here, if you observe the given statement again, children, is the helping verb which you have to change into was. So our answer will be Nana. Sita was spending her birthday with her parents. Her birthday with her parents. So in this way, children, we have learned how to write the given sentences into past continuous. Two more statements has been given to us. Thomas is speeding down the hill. Thomas was speeding down the hill. Second, eighth one they gave, the children are talking very loudly. The children were talking very loudly. So coming to our next Roman, children, they gave on page number 110, Nana, to identify are these sentences into simple past or past continuous or simple present or present continuous. We have to identify and we have to write. Let us have a look. Page number 110, see Roman. First sentence, if you see, children, the moon looked like a cashew nut. Means here if you see, Nana, the moon looked like a cashew nut. This is the looked is the V2 form. So here we can say, Nana, the given sentence is in simple past. So past simple we have to write as a PS. Past simple. Okay. Coming to the second one, children. The sun was setting. The sun was setting. Just now we have discussed, children. If we are writing was as a helping verb and setting as V1 with ing, then the given sentence is present continuous. So for the past continuous. So for past continuous, we have to write PC, past continuous. Coming to the third one, children. Oh, a star is falling. A star is. Now the given statement is present continuous. This is past continuous. Is falling. Now if you see the third statement given to you, is the helping verb given to you, and falling is V1 with the ing. Whenever we are having is as a helping verb, children, to write to identify the tense, if we are having V1 with ing along with is, it denotes present continuous. Present continuous. So here we can write present continuous. రెండిటికి PC రాస్తే confusion. So present continuous. Coming to the fourth statement given to you, children. We sleep on the terrace when it is hot. We sleep on the terrace when it is hot. See children, if you observe the statement, it clearly denotes us sleep is the verb given to you. Okay. So here, whenever we are having only V1, it denotes present simple or simple present. Okay. Coming to our fifth statement, what they gave? We slept on the terrace last week. We slept. And the V2 form of the sleep, slept. We slept on the terrace last week. Means here when we are having V2 form, children, it denotes past simple. Simple past or past simple. So in this way, children, we have completed how to identify the tenses of the given sentence. Okay, next session we will discuss few more exercises related to this topic. Have a nice day.